This video will guide you through how to use the SJCAM X App. Before using the app to control the camera, please connect your camera to the SJCAM X App first. For connection steps, please refer to the app connection guide video. The SJCAM X App consists of 4 main pages. 1. Camera shooting. After connected, the app will automatically enter the camera shooting page. If you exit accidentally, you can tap Enter Camera on the home page. To return to the shooting interface, tap the shutter button. To start recording or take photos, swipe left or right on the screen. To quickly switch between video and photo modes, tap the camera icon in the bottom right corner. To access more shooting modes, tap the resolution icon in the top right corner. To adjust the shooting resolution, higher resolution results in larger video file sizes. It is normal if the camera temperature to rise during recording. Tap the settings icon in the bottom right corner to adjust parameters for the current mode. You can also access image settings and system settings here. After shooting, tap the icon in the bottom left corner to enter the playback and view your photos and videos. Tap the top left corner to return to the app home page. 2. Playback. On the playback page, you can browse all photos and videos. Tap any file to enter the preview screen. Tap the button in the bottom right corner to download the file to your phone. To delete a file, tap the delete button in the bottom left corner. Tap the function icon in the top right corner to enable batch selection. Using the options below, you can download or delete multiple files at once. 3. Live streaming. Tap the live streaming page to start using the camera for live streaming. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your streaming platform. You can also refer to the live streaming tutorial video within the app. 4. Settings. On the settings page, you can perform firmware updates, access after-sales support, and view tutorials. Please note that some features require an internet connection. Tap Firmware Update to check for and install the latest firmware. We recommend keeping your device updated for the best experience. Tap Support to visit the SJCAM official website for technical assistance. Tap Help to view supported devices and tutorial videos for the SJCAM X App. You can also review the privacy policy and user agreement here. 5. Connect a new device. Power off the camera. To connect a new device, please go to the camera page. Choose either Bluetooth connection or QR code scanning. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Please note that the app can only connect to one device at a time. To turn off the camera, you can press and hold the camera's power button. You can also go to the camera page in the app. Tap the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll to the bottom and select Power Off.